I forgot to do my YouTube thing where I tell y'all to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, whatever. But let's get into this video. So my tag finally came. I'm actually what I need to do. I got as y'all remember I changed. As y'all remember I changed one of the can't see. Get it right. As y'all remember I changed one of the tires because it was flat, put it in the truck. But now not only do I have to put air in that tire, I have to go take this one off and put air in this one. So yeah, let's get that done. Alright, so I ran out of light last night, so let's get this cold start, baby. I think I'm starting to think when I got hit from behind, it might have broke one of the hangers for my exhaust. It probably hit my exhaust, so it's making this noise. But other than that, sound good, ride good. That rattling just getting on my nerves. Yeah, I don't like that rattling. But I rode around last night to adjust the headlights, the projector pattern, because it was way off. One headlight was like this, and the other one was like this. So it was annoying. I hate having to do that. But it rode good last night. Maintained temperatures. I need gas. Maintained temperatures. Didn't do anything weird. So. But I do know I need to get the what's it called? I do know I need to get the front suspension replaced, like every piece of it, because it's horrible. But other than that, it's riding pretty good. It feels good to be back in my car. It feels good to feel power again.
Reaction time's awful slow. It takes for 40 years motocross.
He said my reaction time is slow. I didn't know we were racing. I didn't know we were racing. Oh man. I wonder why he took off like that at the light.
Imagine if you had one of the old ones.
Oh, I want one.
Two of my buddies had them. I love them.
I really want
I
one.
had the Chevelles.
You did?
Yeah.
I like the El Caminos.
Yeah. I love the old cars.
Yeah, me
Don't
too.
see too many of them around.
Not anymore. And if you do,
I'm for them too, you know?
and then if you try to buy one, they $100,000 or more.
Nothing. Yeah. That's a good little car you got.
Appreciate it.
Don't get in trouble with it.
I try not to.
It's hard to when you get beside somebody like me.
I just got it fixed. Insurance had totaled it out, so I fixed it myself.
Oh, there you go. That's good. I'm glad it worked out for you.
Oh yeah, I wasn't finna give my car away. Yeah, I miss that power. I miss that sound. I miss the way it handled on back roads. I love the way this car handled on back roads. This hole. Feel good to just be able to cruise. That rattle though, I can't wait to get to an exhaust shop and fix that. That rattle was getting on my nerves. I'm gonna have to find another exhaust shop too, because the one I went to it twice, and I'm used to the exhaust shops. Like if they see something wrong, they go ahead and fix it. This one won't fix it unless you say something. I mean, you can at least tell me, because I went once, and they did what I asked. You know, I just wanted to. I forgot what it was. I think the mid pipe was loose, and they tightened it, and I'm sure they saw that it didn't have the hangers. The hangers was missing, and so when they fixed the mid pipe, it left this same kind of rattle. They didn't even say anything, and then I went back to get that fixed, get the hangers put on, and even I mean, the accident made it worse, but even after that, it was still like, it's like the exhaust is like touching the bottom of the car. It was doing that before, but now it's just worse. But yeah, man. Let's see if I can find another exhaust shop. One where I don't have to drive all the way to the city to get it done. I'm used to exhaust shops from home doing me right, man. Doing me the right way. But it's cool though. I'm just glad, you know, everything holding steady. I've been driving for about 30 minutes now. And it's been good. For something that the insurance claim was totaled, riding good. Other than I like the front suspension been an issue with